All right, everybody, the first item on the table is this sandblaster. I've got quite a few of these sandblasters, so y'all need to belly up and buy them. It is a pneumatic tool, hooks up to your compressor. It's got the ceramic nozzle in it. It comes with the 40 pounds of, which one is this, a 40-pound one? Yes, a 40-pound. I'm showing the retail price on this $130. You call, this is going to go up with a very low minimum. You call and tell me what, if you want that. Okay, I've got an electric 3.5 cubic centimeter concrete mixer, or you can use it for inoculating seeds, doing all kinds of stuff. Let's see. It's electric, so you don't need any special, you don't have to rebuild a gasoline engine or anything. Just plugs into a regular 110 outlet. And this item sells at Harbor Freight for $259. I'm going to put this out at a $99 minimum. So y'all call and get this. I've only got this one. Think long, think wrong. All right, we got that out of the way, I think. Barely, huh? Are you catching the corner of it? I got bedhead. This is makeup. This is a fat lip lip liner. This sells for $5. This is a bedhead, eyes, cheeks, and lips, all in one stick. I've got the plum, I've got the brown, and I've got the mauve. These sell for $14 a piece. You get all the bedhead makeup for one money. Hey, this is a handy item. This is heavy gauge wire with a rubber coating. It was originally made to either hook up to a winch. Notice that it's got some sort of fitting here. I don't know if it's marked positive and negative. This is for hooking up like a winch to your car battery, or maybe if you had some kind of a hydraulic lift on your car. It's a heavy red and black copper wire that's insulated. I've also put with this a little switch that goes to a winch. My thinking is, I probably sold 40 or 50 of those Harbor Freight winches. These are items that you can use for mounting them. This is a reversing switch that's waterproof. It does have this plug on it right here that fits into a lot of Harbor Freight winches. Both those items for one money. Hey, I've got some Kotex products for you. I've got some ultra thin pads, and these are more ultra thin pads. And then I've got some Kotex, what are these, tampons. And in this box, I have more ultra thin pads, 40 of them in this box, 40, 20, and 44. These are mini pads. And also 18 tampons, all for one money. On the table, I have a rock polisher. They call it a rotary tumbler. It's for polishing rocks, or you can even remove rust from small metal parts on that. It's a rock polisher. It's $30 at Harbor Freight. Okay, I still haven't pulled this out of the box. This is they call it a semi-flush ceiling fixture. This is the picture of it. It's by Quasel Lighting, and I looked it up on the internet. I showed one earlier, and I believe the retail on this is unbelievable. It's like $130, maybe $150. I'll have to look it up again. It's sold at Sears. Now, next to that, I got the Simmer Whole House Water Pump. This will actually pressurize your whole water system in the house, or whatever it is you're trying to pressurize. A couple of applications. Either you live in the city and you have very low pressure and you want to boost your water pressure, or maybe you have a well and a tank and you want to create good water pressure for a system down line. Call and give me a bid. It's $420 on the internet. It's a Simmer Ace in the Hole water pump. Okay, also on the table I have one of these ultra fast chargers for the rechargeable AA batteries. It'll plug into your cigarette lighter. And these sell for about, well, normally they come with batteries. That's what's missing. There's 4 rechargeable batteries. Those batteries sell for about $5 a piece. So this whole outfit probably sells for $20. Call and you tell me what it's worth. I've got a 24-inch lamp base. It's got a nice decorative gold card here. It also has almost a verdigris finish on that reddish, sort of an iron color. It's 24 inches tall. All it needs is a harp and a shade. It's guaranteed all the way. The retail price on this, I'm guessing on this, about maybe $20. Pardon me, couldn't cover my mouth. My hands were busy. There, I like that a lot better. Okay, the next item on the table is going to be, is that it? I've covered all 10 items? Hallelujah. Oh, there's 2 more? Okay, let's see what they are. Well, let me do a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's one more item. I counted the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, this is going to be your choice. This is an adapter that plugs into your cigarette lighter and it hooks up to your phone. I've got 3 different phone plugs here. I've got the little tubular one that has the hole in the center in a small size. I have the tubular one that has the hole in the center in like a micro size. Then I just call this a connector. I have the narrow connector. And it says here this is for Nextel and Motorola. Then I have the wide connector. It says this is for LG. And then I have the little pin. Says this one's for Nokia. This one's for Samsung, Audiovox, LG, and Toshiba. So I've got your adapter. I've got your cell phone charger here. Remember, it plugs into your cigarette lighter. You're bidding on one of these, whichever one fits your phone. All right, that's the 10 items on table number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,